Nano Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis C. Sondingwer, Pampanga. Today we have a box full of chocolate coming from Enerlife Philippines Incorporated. If you recognize yung mga ganitong, products, Rolls, Richies, Richoco, we also have Nexstar, ito yung mga, Choco Brownies, So, we are going to give away this, lalabas po tayo ng bahay, and we are going to give away this sa mga we feel na nangangailangan ng, of course, everyone needs a reward. Everyone needs happiness or satisfaction dun sa mga nare-receive nilang mga pwede nilang kainin. We're gonna give this to our friends, to our mga kabalen. So, samahan niyo po ako.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it up in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Baby, why are you stressing? Why? I can promise you you'll find your way in time. To find someone is a blessing. The love you find you won't be able to deny. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your
At mga mababait na security guard dito sa subdivision. So, bigyan natin sa kanila.
wait, while you take your time. Wait,
Christmas para sa ito.
you
Bossing.
take your time. I will wait while
Thank you.
take your time. Wait while
Salamat sa pagbabantay.
take your time.
Kanila, arene, okay. Kainita mo, mami. Hello po. Chocolate. Share na kayong mubo. Yay. Sige po. Kaya lang po, Denny. Denny na po, Denny. Dagan, pero matakal na po rin. Kaya may binalako na lang po rin. Security guard. Okay. Please. Lolo Art. Lolo, this is for you.
Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now.
Kuya, this is for you.